Bathandi Bomkosi, the reality show that we've all been waiting for, Live with Lonely London, is finally here. The first episode aired last week Thursday, and we are already saying, yo, I wonder Sebestini when the last episode is finally played. Hi, Gichu family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But let me take you back a little bit with regards to Lonely London's love life. Lonely London was married to Hlubinkosi, who paid lobola to Lonely London's family. We first heard, or rather knew, about their marriage during the Real Housewives of Durban, whereby London London kept on asking Hlubinkosi when is he going to go to her family and finish Umembeso. Well, Ubutiza never actually gave a straight answer to those questions, but which made fans to be quite skeptical and leaving fans asking endless questions. During the reality show of the Real Housewives of Durban, we saw London London being happy, being loving, and of course showing love to a kid and the husband. But what was happening behind those closed doors, it can only be London London and Hlubinkosi to tell us. Later on, it was revealed that Londi London and Hlubinkosi were on the verge of a divorce, or rather a breakup, which was not easy but messy. And during that time, Londi London was expecting their second baby, whom is their daughter. It was quite a difficult time for Londi London, but of course, the divorce, or rather separation, was public, to a point whereby Hlubinkosi allegedly seized a car that Lonely London was using to transport their son and their daughter around. It was indeed a very messed up and a messy breakup because it was not expected. I mean, since Hlubinkosi was expected to appear at Lonely London's family and settle the damages. Well, but in this episode, London London revealed that Uhlubinkosi was never a present father nor a present husband throughout all of her pregnancies, the first one and the second one. She stated that she went to doctor's checkups alone. She did scans alone. He never came to the hospital when the kids were born. It was just a messy and a painful situation. Let us hear what Trip had to say. Okay, so after the first one, you still went ahead and got pregnant the second time. That is something she need to take full accountability for, unfortunately. If he show you who he is the first time, believe him. Please, ladies, a tweep said. So he was horrible on the first pregnancy, but stupid hair decided to be pregnant again. It's high time you blame women for absent fathers, another one stated. Some men only want to be title of father without showing up for the journey that actually makes one. I am so sorry, Londi London. Another one stated. How kodwa bafazi kuthiwa we listen but we don't judge kodwa we londi ntombi. Hi Shem, it is quite questionable. I mean, you already experienced a horrible pregnancy journey with this man, and then you are still getting pregnant the second time. I think the problem here is trying to show up to be the happiest woman in the industry, where else you know what's happening behind closed doors. Ah, shame, man. But we are glad that she looks happy and it looks like she found her source of happiness and joy once more. Please do leave your comments down below. But what do you think about this situation? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.